If you watch my build videos, you know I like to solder the photo etch as much as possible. And the flux of choice for that is this liquid flux here. However, the bottle itself, it's not very stable. So to counteract that, I put together this XPS foam, just a couple of parts taped together with some holes in it. And now I don't have to worry about spilling the flux. I also like to use a pipette to dispense the flux into a cup, so I can just come out with the cup when I need flux. So I made a hole in here just to put that in, okay? And then to apply the flux, I use a brush. So I made just a groove there for it to lie in. And that's worked very well up till now. Also, you can see all these black marks. That's because I use an airbrush needle to apply the solder, and then I stick it in there until I need it again. But now that I've got the 3D printer, let's see if we can come up with something a bit more stylish than this. So I used Fusion 360 to draw up the replacement. Now, I do like the actual footprint of the original one, so I've kind of kept that dimensions the same, made a few extra little tweaks and that to it. It was then exported into the Bambu Studio slicer, and I didn't change any settings, I just left it as all the defaults in that. So let's send the file to the printer now. Okay, I've switched off and allowed it to cool down, so let's get it off the plate. Very crunchy, but no damage done. Let's take it to the bench and we'll have a look at it. So on first glance it looks really nice, but when you start having a good look, you can see some flaws. There's some rough bits here and there. We've got some, I don't know if you call it delamination there. And of course the seam you can actually see on the front edge and down here as well. So, like I say, I'm new to this, so I need to investigate the settings and whatnot, because I could actually move the seams to the back edge and whatnot. I'm sure my geometry isn't optimal for printing. So, but as a first attempt straight off, this is the first thing I've printed other than the test benchy, and I'm pretty happy with it. The opening there is a bit big, so I could have reduced that. The pipette fits in nicely into here. It's a bit stiff, but it's actually good, it holds it very well. And then for the bottle cap that I used to put the flux in, that goes in very nicely, so I can push it in. It's a really nice fit. The brush, I've put two locations, one to just store it when it's not being used in a vertical position, but when I'm using it, I like to just lay it in there and then I can come and grab it. But when I'm finished, I can store it in there. And for this square hole here, I've actually cut some XPS foam in there nicely. And again, I can just stick my airbrush needle into there. Okay, so that was just a quick video just to show one of the uses I'm going to do the 3D printer for. So I'm quite pleased how this has turned out. Moving forward, I need to watch plenty of Bambu Studio videos and how to use it and get the best of it, because I'm sure a lot of this could come out with various tweaks to the slicer settings and whatnot. But as a first attempt, I'm very happy. Okay.